It's not only about having a nice sustainability report, it is about securing our food production.
We are in Madrid, Spain, to attend the 25th anniversary of a global pharmaceutical and nutritional company, Huvepharma. And whilst we are at the Congress, we spoke to Dr. Thordis Möller, and she is Sustainability Director for Continental Europe of global meat supplier OSI. In her role, she focuses on regulatory norms and initiatives and makes sure how sustainability can be applied in practice in the day-to-day activities of OSI. Could you describe what OSI is all about? What does it do? How old is it? And where is it active?
OSI is a global company in the meat business. So we produce and we process animal proteins, beef, pork and poultry, but we also produce vegetable products and specialties. We are a global company with a headquarter in Chicago, and we are active over 100 years, but we primarily became very big and we grew together with a global quick service restaurant.
OSI is active in the poultry, the beef and the pig industries. Could you, per type of meat, indicate how important that is and what role you play in it?
Yes. So the poultry sector, we do have an integrated business. So we do also slaughter poultry and produce chicken meat products. And in the beef sector, we do also run primary business. So we slaughter, for example, in Europe, in Austria and also in Poland.
There are various areas in which OSI as a group is aiming to enhance sustainability. Think of resource conservation, safe and respectful workplaces, animal welfare, the communities they serve, value chain and farmer engagement, and last but not least, climate change. Well, the title here at your presentation is, Does Sustainability Still Matter? Well, does it?
Yes, it does. I think it certainly depends which region of the world you live in and what of challenges you are facing in terms of sustainability. So the focus might be different depending on where you are in the region, but yes, it certainly does.
Yeah. Could you explain why it is still relevant?
It is relevant because it is all about resilient supply chains, and we need to secure our food production with a rising population and ever increasingly scarce resources, water, climate change. So sustainability is all about that. It's not only about having a nice sustainability report, it is about securing our food production.
Mm-hmm. I see. Well, we've seen that, for instance, in the United States as well as in Europe as well, the focus on sustainability isn't there as strongly as it used to be. That doesn't take away your focus on sustainability then?
No, absolutely not. I get this question quite often, especially since Trump is in place. But you also have to look at the other countries or even the states in the United States, like California, who run their own, for example, sustainability reporting directive, and there's no drawback. And even with the facilitation of the CSRD, it's still the most comprehensive one globally. Mm-hmm. So, and yeah, our customers, ourselves, our suppliers, we are not stepping back from the CSRD. We proceed as planned.
See. So, do you expect that in the future, both the US as well as the EU will be full steam ahead on the sustainability theme again?
I think it's inevitable, to be honest. We have no other choice.
Inevitable. That is a clear choice. Another question I had is that you see the word sustainability being used everywhere around the world. Yeah. A lot of companies are using it. Is it not is there not an inflation going on? Is the sustainability concept sustainable itself?
No, possibly not. That's actually a very good question. Mm-hmm. It's overused a little bit. Mm-hmm. But in the end of the day, I think as we all know what we principally mean by it and what the ultimate target is of sustainability, I'm fine with that, as long as we have no other or new word for that. Yeah.
Yeah, I see. And when you speak to farmers, as you sometimes do, how do they respond to a sustainability message?
Depends on my message, very clearly. So I think my take on European farmers is that they are already very sustainable, and I think this is also something we have to keep in mind, that what we do in the EU with our CAP, obviously, and with all our regulations and policies, European agriculture is already very sustainable compared to other regions of the world. And this is my message to the farmers, right? But certainly there's also room for improvement, and certainly we have to implement measurements, for example, to reduce emissions. But also this is necessary and can ultimately be monitorized by farmers. And this is also a very important message, I think, for farmers.
So all in all, do you look at the future with a positive mind, with a positive feeling
I have
about
to,
it? Yeah.
otherwise I couldn't do my job.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.